How to fix TikTok creator fund not showing. So go directly here to your TikTok application and it will lead you directly to your homepage here. And then what you want to do next is you will see 5 different options. You will see home, shop, plus icon, inbox, and profile. Tap on profile here. And on the upper right, you'll see 3 dash lines, the burger sign. Tap on that and tap on creator tools. Now here, you must see a creator tools there. Now, if it's not available, then there is a huge possibility that Creator Fund is not yet available in your country or your account is not yet available for that. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to here go back here to your burger icon here, the 3 dash lines there, and go to settings and privacy. Now, what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see report a problem. It's under the support and about section. So tap on report a problem, and then here you tap on creator tools, and then tap on others here. Now under others, so you just have to tap on here no, and then tap on need more help. Now you have to actually type there your problem. Let's say you do not have a creator fund button or option there, and you have to give them a photo. And to do that is you have to take a screenshot of your creator tools to show that you do not have that option, the creator fund option, and then tap on submit. And basically the TikTok community will actually get back to you within 48 hours and fix your problem. And basically that is how you fix TikTok creator fund not showing. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.